Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we will discuss about Ctrl+Click not working in VS Code. So many time we want to see uh, like if we go in the VS Code, and if I want to check, then this definition is not working. So many time we want to see definition of function, but control plus key not work. So we have to go to online documentation. So suppose I am at here. Now I have to search at here, and at here it is function. Sorry, but it is not at here directly function. So in that time at here it is function, but it is not good be for search definition, etc. And also in the Laravel, if you are working in Laravel, then you can also see like at here, I am not unable to access this function. Suppose I want to check something in definition. So for that, first go to your extension, and then search PHP IntelliFence. Yeah, and now install. Yeah, now it is installed, and now search C++. Click on install. Now it is installed, and now go at here, but still it is not working. So first close and open VS Code again. Now check. Wait for 1 minute as it is loading. I think it is solved. Okay, wait for 1 minute. I think it is not solved. Wait a minute. Now check. Now it is working, and we can check belong to many in the Laravel, etc. So now it is working, and now if we check in the in the child theme in the WordPress, then we can also check like if we are checking in the load theme text domain, etc., then it is also working. So via these two add-on we can go we can check function definition inside VS Code. And thanks, and if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.